Welcome to this guided meditation, designed to help you release anxiety and embrace the act of letting go, especially as we step into a new year. As you begin this journey, find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself this time to be fully present. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension you're holding on to. With each inhale, draw in peace and calm. With each exhale, let go of worries and stress. Continue this breathing pattern, feeling more relaxed with each breath. Now, as you settle into a rhythm of calm breathing, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a sense of warmth and relaxation beginning there, slowly spreading down. As this warm sensation moves over your forehead, feel the muscles there loosening. Let this feeling of relaxation flow over your eyes, easing any strain. Notice how your eyelids become heavy, how peaceful it feels to let them rest. Allow this warmth to travel down to your jaw. If your jaw is clenched, gently let it soften. Unburden your jaw from the weight of unspoken words or suppressed emotions. Feel the ease in your face now, a reflection of inner tranquility. As we continue, this comforting sensation flows down your neck and shoulders. If you're holding any tension in your shoulders, consciously let it melt away. Imagine it dissolving, leaving your shoulders feeling light and at ease. With each breath, release any burdens you've been carrying. You don't need to hold on to them any longer. Now, direct your attention to your arms. Feel the relaxation moving through your upper arms, down to your elbows, and into your forearm. Let it swirl around your wrists, hands, and fingers, soothing and calming. As your hands relax, picture them releasing all they've been grasping tightly. Let go of the past year's worries, fears, and uncertainties. Open your hands, and with this gesture, open your heart to new beginnings. Bring your focus back to your breath for a moment. Notice the rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. With each inhale, think of drawing in hope and possibility. With each exhale, release any lingering anxiety or fear. Feel your heart becoming lighter, more open. Now, allow the sensation of relaxation to travel down your spine. Visualize each vertebrae releasing tension, one by one. As this wave of comfort reaches your lower back, let go of any discomfort or stiffness there. This is a moment of gentle release, of giving your body permission to relax completely. Let this feeling of calm and ease flow into your hips and pelvis. If there is any tightness, breathe into those areas and imagine it dissipating with your exhale. Feel how your body sinks deeper into relaxation, supported and safe. As this wave of comfort reaches your lower back, let go of any discomfort or stiffness there. This is a moment of gentle release, of giving your body permission to relax completely. Now, feel this nurturing wave of relaxation moving down through your thighs. With each breath, release any feelings of anxiety or tension that may have been stored in your muscles. Allow this soothing energy to flow through your knees, into your calves, relaxing them deeply. As it reaches your ankles and feet, imagine any remaining stress flowing out through the tips of your toes, leaving your entire body in a state of complete relaxation. In this state of deep calm, envision yourself standing at the threshold of the new year, Behind you is the past year, with its challenges and triumphs, its joys and sorrows. Acknowledge everything you've experienced, and now gently let it go. It's time to release the old, making space for the new. Imagine yourself holding a balloon, representing all the worries, fears, and anxieties of the past year. See its color and feel its weight. Now, slowly release the balloon into the sky. Watch as it floats away, getting smaller and smaller, taking your worries with it. As it disappears, feel the lightness in your heart. You are free from these burdens, ready to embrace the new year with a sense of peace and hope. Turn your face towards the future, the unknown horizon of the new year. Imagine it filled with endless possibilities and opportunity. Feel a sense of excitement and optimism about what lies ahead. Allow yourself to be open and receptive to new experiences, new joys, and new challenges. As you stand on this threshold, make a promise to yourself. Promise to be kind to yourself, to embrace each moment with mindfulness and gratitude. Promise to let go of what you cannot control and to focus on what brings you peace and fulfillment. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the air entering and leaving your lungs. With each breath, feel more energized, more present in this moment. Slowly start to bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move your head from side to side. When you feel ready, open your eyes, returning to your surroundings. Carry this feeling of calm and hope with you as you move through the rest of your day and into the new year. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. Remember, you have the strength and resilience to face whatever this year brings. Embrace it with an open heart and a peaceful mind. Wishing you a year filled with peace, joy, and serenity.